Welcome to OSHWLab. Today, we're bringing you an amazing project. Let's take a closer look. An open-source auto-power distribution module, designed for modern FI and restoration projects. This project started during a Triumph Spitfire restoration, where the entire car was running on just 3 fuses. With FI upgrades, fuel pumps ignition, and injectors, a better solution was needed. Synapse PDM has evolved from a simple 6-channel add-on to a fully featured 14-channel system with mobile data, GPS SD card logging and IMU, and battery backup. Everything inspired by high-end systems from Haltech AIM and Link, but designed for builders who want an open, affordable, and powerful alternative. The complete project is already available on OSHWLab. Does it inspire your creativity? Come and join the OSHWLab stars.